Gardening is such a therapeutic activity, isn't it? But have you ever wondered how much data you're processing subconsciously while gardening? Soil moisture levels, temperature, light exposure, plant growth patterns, space availability, and so much more. While this is relaxing and fun for me, others are doing this for a living, and for them it is serious business. And unlike me, they are putting all this data to good use with the best-in-class technology. One of our sustainable farming customers uses image and sensor data 24/7 to gather real-time insights. By deploying AI at the edge, they manage pollination and track chemical absorption, hence boosting crop yields and optimizing operations. Well, whoever thought gardening or farming would be leveraging AI? Data is the differentiator for AI. There is no AI without data. But quality and accessibility are also essential to drive adoption. There are also a lot of other factors to consider, such as adaptable and scalable infrastructure, compliance with legal and regulatory rules, data security, budgets, and expertise. That is where we can help. Join us at a DELL Tech Forum that is happening near your APJ region, starting this August. You'll get to learn about how DELL's AI-ready platform can help accelerate your innovation journey. Now, excuse me while I put my data to good use, and hopefully, my plants will send me thank you emails.